How do I save and export my finished video in CapCut? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create, Log and Delete. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to save and export finished video in CapCut. You can see that I have just edited this video. I have just finished the editing. Now how can you save and export it? At the top right corner you can see this option of export. Click on it. Now over here you can find different options. At the top you can see that option of title. You can give a title to your project and then you can just select where you want to export your video. You can just select, I'm gonna set it to videos, and then you have to click on select folder and it is done. You can also select the resolution, bitrate, code, format for the video, and after you are done you can just click on export. It will take some few seconds to be exported. After that you will be able to find that video in the folder that you have just selected. In this way you can easily save and export the finished videos in CapCut.